Hi, and welcome to Neo's Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this anime makeup look is inspired by Dolores Umbridge from Harry Potter. Now, I'm a huge Harry Potter fan. I know I've only done one Harry Potter look, which was for Ravenclaw, which, hey. But I've had this idea planned for a while, and that's why I put it up to a vote for you guys on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I post a lot of polls on there because I'm like, I want to know what you guys want from me. So, I put it up to a vote, and Dolores Umbridge won, and I'm kind of glad. Honestly, I was going to be glad either way, but I'm really glad that I was finally able to do this look because, unlike most of my looks, this one's very, matte, except for, here. Everything else is completely matte. And then the lips. Oh no, a little. Okay. But I had so much fun making this look. I'm loving the glow. I'm feeling a little evil. Now, if you don't know Dolores Umbridge, she is basically more evil than Voldemort. Okay, I'm joking. People just say that because she is very much like a wicked person, but she's very she presents herself as someone who's very innocent, which is why she always wears pink, but deep down inside her soul is black. Symbolism! Anyway, like I said, I had a lot of fun creating this look, and I'm so glad that I was finally able to do it. And it's part of a Valentine / anti-Valentine's Day look thing that I'm doing for the next few days until Valentine's Day comes, because I'm like, hey, let's have some fun with this. So I'm going to stop rambling so y'all can get into this video. I hope you enjoy it. Roll the intro. Okay, so let's get started. And I already took care of my brows. And yes, I know they're big today. It happens. Honestly, they look bigger on camera than they do in person. So that always happens where something looks off on camera, but it looks okay in person. Oh well. Anyway, I also primed and set my lid using Brulee by Wet n Wild. And today, we're going to be doing some things a little different. Normally, I like to stick to one palette, in which we will stick to one palette. But we're going to have some stuff to go with that palette. So we're going to be using the Fruit Sorbet palette by Violet Voss. I love this little mini stuff. But before I go into that, I want to have a nice pink transition. So I'm going to use a Steve Lauren blush, and this is in Rosé All Day. And I'm going to use that to transition because the pink in there is very bright. And I need something so that way it doesn't look crazy. You don't just have pink. It's no. We have something soft. So like I said, I'm going to take the Steve Lauren blush in Rosé All Day and put that above my crease, almost to my brow bone, almost to my brows actually. And yeah, we're gonna use it for transition shade. Okay, so I like this blush as eyeshadow because it really shows up and you have that nice pink color. Because a lot of times pink eyeshadows, you use them and oh, where to go? Like Love from the Norvina palettes. I use it, I'm like, it's there, you can't see it on camera, but it's there. Or that really light pink from the Dominique palette. It's it's there, it's just too light. But I like that this is actually pigmented enough to where it's actually there and it builds up nicely. Okay, so now we're going to dip into... this one doesn't have names. So we're going to dip into this pink right here and put that just below what I put on. So yeah, we're going to take... Oh, I could use that base shade. I forgot there was a base shade in here. Anyway, we're going to take that pink and plop it in. Take this shade next. We're going to put it just below into the crease to have a nice transition. We're going to also put it on the outer corner. Now I'm going to take my Sephora Collection number 10 blending brush with a little bit more of that pink just to blend everything out. Now I'm going to take my Sephora Collection eyeshadow in Black Lace, which is right here. I'm just going to apply that all on the lid. Real quickly, I'm going to just blend the edges out. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit more of that more purple shade and just use that to blend out those edges with the black. Okay, and since I did that, I'm going to take a little bit more of the pink and blend that above as well. Real quickly, I'm going to take my blending brush one more time and just blend everything. Okay, so with that done, I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to take care of my lashes and my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. I actually went live on Instagram, on Facebook, in a group, so it took me a little longer to do this. Plus, I had to post, so it took me a little bit longer. Plus, I also have to say, tried the collab powder, and in person, there's no white cast. Like, I've been having a problem with the Lawless powders. So, yay, thank you, collab. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to the eyes. And first thing I want to do is I'm actually going to run something in my waterline. And I do just have to say, this black shadow is transferring up. I had that problem because I'm very expressive and I have kind of hooded eyes, so it just transfers. It always happens. So I'm just living with it. Also, I'm loving this highlight. So yeah, I'm just going to run this Basket Case Liner in my waterline. I'll do that first because I want that line to just show. Okay, so I'm going to do what I normally do. I'm going to take the black and blend it out right here, the purple like to right here, partially in, and the pink underneath all the way. And then maybe the blush as well. And I just like saying what I do because it's just easier to just roll off all together in one motion instead of having to stop and say everything. Plus, occasionally I will stop in between the colors to blend out with my Sephora Collection number 10 brush. Okay, I love it. And now for the inner corner, I'm going to take the same highlighter I used, which was Unicorn from the Dream Glow Kit by Anastasia. And real quickly, because I know it looks really well, I'm going to take Opal from the Alchemist palette. Okay, so since I blended it out really low, it looks like I had dark circles, so I'm just going to take a little bit of Brûlée to help brighten my under eye back up. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the lips. For lip liner today, I'm using the Kat Von D Everlasting Lip Liner in Scully, because it's the only black lip liner I have. Okay, so for lipstick today, I'm going to be taking the Fenty, for lipstick today, I'm going to be taking the Fenty Stunna Lip Paint. I'm sorry, I'm looking at myself and I can't stop laughing. I look weird. Anyway, for lipstick today, I'm going to be taking the Fenty Style Lip Paint in Uninvited. And yes, I got this in the original. I have the glow in the dark case. I love it. Okay. My camera is not translating, but it is a little streaky, but that's because I have foundation and concealer on my lips. So I'm going to let this coat dry and I'm going to apply a second coat. Okay, so I don't know what happened, but my camera stopped recording and I love this lipstick. You know, I was thinking I might top it with something, but I don't know if I want to do that. I feel like if I should, I might use Taurus. Let me just see what it looks like. Well, now I completely stained this lip gloss. But I'm going to let down my hair and set my face using my Collab closing time setting spray, and I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back with the finished look, and oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna be 100% honest. The camera's washing me out right now. Okay, these lights washing me out. In real life, this looks great. In camera, it looks like I'm like a little pale. Wish I knew a way to fix this. Sorry. And oh my gosh, I love how this looks. And here, like, I said in a live, I want to do this like in October. And I just never got around to it. So I'm like, that's why I put it up to vote the other day. I'm like, I know I'm going to do this soon. When do y'all want me to do it? Do you want me to do it after or before? Y'all guys say it before, and I'm like, so like, yes, yes. Okay, let's go. Anyway, I know I'm rambling. I'm going to stop and I'll let you guys go. But thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like this video and you want to see more, please do subscribe and click that little bell button, because every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I hope to see you next time, and I hope you have a good rest of your night or day wherever you are. Bye.